What's up, guys? JD here, back with the RC Explosion box, Volume 6. Doing it from my car, just picked it up from the mailbox, and I couldn't wait till later, so we're gonna see how it goes doing it from the from my center console here. This is one of my favorite repack boxes. I've been subscribing since version 2. I recorded version 2, and then I've opened all the other ones on camera, but really haven't liked the way that they've came out. So, all right. So in this one we have 82 Donruss, 90 Leaf, Series 2, 2011 Topps Chrome, 2012 Bowman, 2015 Bowman Draft, 2016 Topps Update, 2017 Topps Heritage High Number, 2017 Topps Update, 2018's Bowman Best, and then 2019 Bowman Megabox Retail, 2019 Topps Series 2. So it looks like that Bowman Megabox is probably just the base pack for that. I know there was a couple when he released the list, some variable packs. I'm not quite sure what's what on that, but toss these packing peanuts. Have a place to stick the cards. All right, first pack we got the 82. Looking for Cal Ripken, Lee Smith. I always say I'm not too sure on a lot of the older guys here, so if you're watching this, you see something good pop up, let me know. Got the puzzle piece. All right, so Steve Carlton, Jerry Roos, Al Hrabsky, Alex Trevino, Bill Madlick, Steve Rogers, Tim Laudner, Lee Mazzilli, Chet Lemon, Ross Baumgarten, Ivan DeJesus, Diamond Kings, Phil Gardner, Larry Bittner, Mike Stanton, Frank Tavares. Back to the front. These things look to be in pretty decent shape. '90 Leaf Series 2. People next to me in this parking lot probably think I'm crazy. I got the puzzle piece there. We're looking for Frank Thomas, Larry Walker, Mike Jackson, Willie Randolph, Craig Lefferts, Larry Sheets, Wallace Johnson, Candy Maldonado, Mickey Hatcher, Don Paul, Larry Anderson, Scott Bales, Jack Armstrong, Jerry Reed, Les Lancaster, Joe Orsulak, Joe Bover. Next we have 2011 Topps Chrome. Danny Espinosa rookie. Shiyoshi Nishoka. Don't think he ever turned out to be anything. Jacoby Ellsbury. And Clay Buchholz. (2012) Bowman. So we have Josh Bell, Bryce Harper, Xander Bogaerts, Anthony Rendon, Eddie Rosario, Garrett Cole. Autos, a lot of those guys. I've seen somebody pull a really nice Bogaerts auto out of this. All right. Michael Bourne, John Axford, Dan Herron, Jabari Blash, first Bowman, Ryan Howard. I don't know if that's something. Not a rookie, not a first. Bowman's best, Travis d'Arnaud. Insert. Jeimer Candelario. Just got sent down for the Tigers. First. Xander Bogaerts first. Paper. Brett Pill, rookie. David Ortiz. Alright, we have 2015 Bowman Draft. Austin Riley, Andrew Benintendi, Brendan Rodgers, Walker Buehler. With autos of Kyle Tucker, Mike Soroka, Scott Kingery. Jacob Nix first. Javier Medina first. Very hard to read these names. Casey Houston first. Mariano Rivera, not the same one. Oh, look at that on card. Auto. Bowman first. Mike Nikorak. That's out of 50. Not the best name, but for the Rockies. I have to look into him. Pitching prospects, obviously. From 2015, haven't came up yet. Probably not great, but Lucas Sims. Avery Romero. Back to the front. Wow. Still pretty cool. That's probably my biggest hit out of this so far. Out of any of the rookie explosion boxes. 2016 Topps Update. Got Blake Snell, Wilson Contreras, Trevor Story, Tim Anderson, Jose Barrios, Lucas Giolito, Julio Urias, Jose Fernandez, RIP, Aledmus Diaz, Trace Thompson, rookie, Taylor Motter, rookie, Justin Grimm, Albert Suarez, rookie, Ichiro chasing 3K, insert, Johnny Barbado, Ben Gamel, Joaquin Benoit, Luis Severino, rookie debut, (2017) Heritage High. So we got base card and image variations of Bellinger. I gotta hurry this up. Addison Reed, Michael Saunders, Kyle Freeland, rookie, Edwin Encarnacion, Pablo Sandoval, Darren O'Day, Brock Stassi, Kendall Graveman, Wade Davis. (2017) update: Bellinger, Judge, Matt Chapman, Voigt, Bregman, Benintendi, Mancada, DeYoung, Boog Powell, Lysel Verto Bonilla, Sam Travis, rookie, Seth Smith, Robinson Cano, Cody Bellinger, rookie. It's awesome. I'm not sure if this is the actual rookie or what's going on with that, but that's nice. Fernando Rodney, Tuffy Goswitch, Jorge Bonifacio, Paul Goldschmidt. 2018 Bowman's Best. Got Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Meadows. Autos of Tatis, Luis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Carter Kaboom, Hira. You guys know this product. And we got Mitch Keller, Joe Adele, Mookie Betts, Josh Bro auto, JD Martinez. Wow, this is a great box for me. It's a catcher for the Yankees. (2019) Bowman. We'll fly through the paper. Hunter Green, Forrest Whitley, finish it off with Series 2. Feels kind of thick, but I have not opened much of this yet, just a blaster. So we have Pete Alonso, Fernando Tatis, Eloy, and base short print of Vlad Jr., which doesn't seem like it's that short printed. A lot of people are hitting it, but so Nelson Cruz, Carlos Santana, Jalen Beeks, Noel Cuevas, Sandy Alcantara, Brian Shaw, Dustin Pedroia, Roger Clemens. I'm not sure if that's a short print or not. Mikey Matuk, Will Myers, Hunter Dozier, Yandy Diaz. I should have had him in the Tampa. Ian Desmond, Ryan Presley. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you notice anything in that older stuff or any short prints, I'm not even sure if I got everything on camera. Comment your favorite card. Mine are obviously the 2 autos. Very awesome. Thanks Phil for a great product. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.